Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. And today we will discuss the topic which we will learn is adjective, describing it. The topic we have already started, but we will do another thing. We will learn how to add y in adjectives. As we have, as today is 11th of September, Friday, and we will do exercise from Junior English, page number 19, exercise A, describing words, right? And exercise B will be as a home task. It will not be difficult for you anymore after learning it. Now, see, adjective can be formed by adding y. Adjective को किस तरह form किया जा सकता है? Y add करके. To some words में हम y add करते हैं. For example, rust, what is this? Rust. And when we will add y, it will be rusty. This is adjective. Greed, greet, and greedy, greedy. WALTH, well, and WELTHY, wealthy. STORM, storm. STORMY, storm. We have, as I have written in a green color, so it shows that I have added y. So after adding this, become an adjective. But there are some words as we have added simply y in this, so they become adjectives. But there are some words in which we double the last letter before adding y. Before adding y, we double the last letter. For example, what's this? This is SUN, sun. What is the last letter? Last letter is this. And for making an adjective, what we will do? We will SU double N, and then we will add Y, right? We have done this thing. Double the last letter and then add Y. This is sunny, right? FOGY, fog, right? What is the last letter? Last letter is G. We will double the last letter. क्या होता है foggy? FOGGY, foggy. Last letter we double the last letter and add Y. When sun is not here, it is foggy. Now, in some cases, in some words, we do not double the last letter, but only what is the last letter? E here. So we drop the E. If the word ends at E, we drop the E and then add Y. NOISE, noise. So we will do NOIS. We will not make like this. No, it will be wrong. We will drop the E and then add Y. This is noise, right? And we will learn there are some adjective which I want to share with you. Yes, as you can see, do you know what the adjective is? What is an adjective and describing words are the same, right? As you learned in previous class about adjective or describing words. Uh, First of all, you should know the noun. Noun is a naming word. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. And describing word, describe, tells the noun about the noun, that how is the noun. कैसा है वो? What is a color? What is a size? And what is a quantity, right? Just like first one is, who is he? He is a man. He is angry. गुस्से में है. It's delicious. He is eating food and he's talking about the food. Food is a noun. It is delicious. it's empty. Empty khali hai, right? Jug. Jug is a noun and it is empty. She said he's cold. He's cold. सर्दी लग रही है. मैन है ना, noun. It's full. देखिए, it's empty, it's full. Both are noun, but different adjective. She's beautiful. It's cold. Sorry, it's old. This is new and this is old. What is this? This is a thing, right? It's fast. Aeroplane. Fast. कैसा है? Noun है ना, thing. तो उसकी quality कैसा है? Noun tells describing word tells how is the noun. Noun कैसा है? तो how is the noun? Fast. He is handsome. It's hard. It's wet. Small. बहुत छोटा सा है. It's heavy. It's big. Elephant. Animal. Person, place, animal or thing. Animal. It's big. It's long. This is long. It's slow. Turtle है ना, turtle बहुत slow चलता है. तो noun है animal, right? कैसा है? Slow. It's hot. He is hungry. Help! I am scared. Scared? खौफज़दा है, डर लग रहा है. He is thin. He is thin. He is weak. Can't lift. He is weak. She is short. Shh, be quiet. Right? So this is adjectives. Now, there is an exercise in Junior English, exercise A. We will do this, right? Now, as there are the words I have written in board, right? Rust, R-U-S-T, rust. After addition of Y, rusty. G-R-E-E-D, greed, greedy. Well, wealthy. Storm, stormy, right? What are the missing words? Hands covered with dirt. Dirt, if we add Y here, dirty hands. A day of strong winds. Strong wind. So, wind, a windy day. A mountain with many rocks. Rock, a rocky mountain. A beach covered with sand. A sandy beach. Now you will do like this. What will be? A girl who has lots of luck? Yes, a lucky girl. Now I hope you will do it. It's very easy. Do it. Now exercise B. As you have already learned, when Y is added to some words, the last letter of the word is doubled, right? It's like sun, last letter is N. So we will double. After writing this, we will add one more time the last letter and then add Y. Sunny, sunny. Fog, foggy. Skin, skinny. Fur, furry. Bag, baggy, right? And when Y is added to a word ending with E, this letter is dropped, right? Noise, last letter is E, we will drop the E, noisy, and then we will add Y. Smoke, smoky. Ease, easy. Shade, shady. Stone, stony. Now, a day, sun. कैसा day? A sunny day. S-U-N. We will double the last letter N and Y. And dash exercise is easy. This is home assignment, home task. Exercise B. You will do it. Now, student, we will finish our class here. Do the exercise given in your homework and complete it and reinforce it. Whatever the topic you have learned, so they are connected with each other. Practice, see, learn, revise again and over again, right? So thank you. Take care. Allah.